Welcome back to another video on the test editor series, and today we are going to look at open redirect vulnerability and how we can write a test for it. So what is open redirect? It is a security vulnerability that occurs when a web application allows external users to redirect to arbitrary URLs. So this can be exploited for phishing attacks or to deceive users into visiting malicious sites. So it is important to test for this. There are 3 steps to write open redirect test. The first is that we will select API request based on their response code, and then we will add a header with a different domain, and then we will validate if the response code contains value 302. Okay, so let's hop into the test editor. First, I'm going to start with the IDE, that is open redirect host header injection, because we are injecting a different domain in the host header. We will give name and description, that is it test for open redirect by injecting evil.com in the host header, and we will check if it is reflected in the response as well. In the details, we will just simply type it enable attackers to trick users into visiting malicious sites. In the category, we will provide name, short name, and display name. And then we'll give some tags, that is business logic and OWASP top 10. In the reference, I'm going to give the link of this report based on open redirect. I'll provide some CWE related to this. Now it's time to write the API selection filters. So we will select APIs whose response code is 302, basically a redirect. And then in the execute section, we are going to add a bunch of headers like X forwarded host, X real host, or X origin host. These are multiple headers with a different value, that is a different domain. And if it is reflected in the response, means the user can be redirected to evil.com domain. Okay, and now in the validate, we will check if the response is 302 and it contains the value evil.com. Okay, everything looks good. We can save this. Now, select your API inventory and the particular API that you want to test for. And there we can see that this particular API is vulnerable to Open Redirect. And in the response, we can see evil.com in the location header. Okay, to automate this, we can just go to the API collections. From there, you can select your Open Redirect custom test and then click on Run Daily and then select a particular time if you want to. And this will automate this test for you. Okay, that's it for today. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.